Oh, hi guys, good morning. I don't want to miss this opportunity. I just want to share to you guys. As of now, yung camera ko na lowbat, so I'm using my phone right now, and as you can see, today I will be sharing to you. Ang hirap kasi walang stand. But then, by the way guys, if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for being here. If you're new, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. So today, meron tayong if you noticed, meron akong pinost about Japonesa. So, here it is guys. Ipapakita ko sa inyo ha. Ito siya guys. Ito. Tingnan nyo. Ang ganda, ang ganda, ang ganda. I super love it. It's recommended, sinabi dito, it's a face and body cream bar, Japonesa. Lightening soap with probiotics, lactoferrin, glutathione, collagen. And before tayo magre-review, ilalagay ko muna dito yung price nito na banda. And nakalagay dito na 100% natural origins. Meron akong i-insert dito na video na grabe. Dito na banda ko, if napapansin nyo yung mga previous videos ko, ang dami kong bumps in this area. So, hi guys! This is an update. Yung Japonesa na soap. The other day, yung nakita nyo, as in, super, ano pa to, malaki. And then, ang dami kong yung mga bumps. And ginamit ko siya ng twice na, nung yesterday na morning, and then last night, and then ngayon, pangatlong beses na siyang nagamit. Ito yon pagising ko. Hindi ko naman siya ni-rub, hindi ko siya pre-nick, but then, ito na siya, oh. Nakuha na yung mga nana at nag-diffuse na yung ano ko guys, pimples. Ito na siya yung nangyayari sa aking skin. Parati itong pro ng acne dito na banda guys. I don't know, maybe it's because of the mask. Yan ang struggle ko lately. But then right now, it's the Japonesa soap is really helping my pimples shrunk. As in, grabe siya. So we're going to wait for 1 week siguro, and then I will be giving my thoughts about it. And alam nyo ba kung ano yung nakatanggal nun? As in super, hindi naman siya super smooth na 100% smooth. By the way, pasensya na, I don't have my makeup on kasi gusto ko talaga ipakita sa inyo yung difference. And then dito, nawala na yung mga bumps, small bumps ko dito. Miraculously, I don't know why. Ang dami ko nang na-try. If you know na nag-rejuvenating set ako, nag-light yung skin ko, parang Korean glass. But then, if you're going to if you're going to touch my face, meron talagang mga bumps, rough na mga mafe-feel mo. But then, using this one for straight of 8 days, I think, it really gives my skin that, parang, it lessens my bumps sa face ko. And then, naglalighten naman siya, given. But then, hindi ko ma-test kasi naman, a little bit white tayo, charot. So, hindi, ano siya. And by the way, guys, how I use it is, wait muna. Guys, nagustuhan ko talaga siya and ginagamit ko siya. Meron akong ginagamit na ibang soap sa body. And, tawa ako dito. Tingnan nyo yung ginawa ko sa soap. Nilagay ko siya sa mesh. Kasi, para na rin siyang exfoliating sa aking body. Nilagay ko siya sa mesh. Ang dali kasi niyang pabulain. Ito na lang yung natira guys. Konti na lang yung isa. Ginamit ko na siya. And I really love using this with a mesh kasi parang na-exfoliate niya yung skin ko sa body. Pero sa face ko, nirarub ko siya kasi super bula niya talaga if gagamitan ko nito. And good news guys, kasi meron silang 20% discount sa Lazada. And sa mga available, if you're going to visit their website, and if you're going to visit their Instagram, meron talagang 20% off sila ngayon. So, grab the opportunity. Ang first ko talagang napapansin sa kanya is yung, talaga, nawala yung mga bumps ko sa face. I don't know. Pag ginamit mo siya sa face, nilalather ko kasi siya ng 60 seconds sa aking face. Yun ang cleansing rule ko sa aking face. And then after that, literal na pinapatuyo ko lang yung water dripping talaga, hindi ko tinatowel dry. And then, ang napansin ko lang sa aking face, hindi siya yung example, how can I describe it? If you're going to use soap in your face, super smooth, squeaky clean, but then this one, parang nafe-feel mo na merong roughness sa face mo na natitira. I don't know if that's dead skin, but then, later on, mag-o-okay na siya at nasusmoothen niya yung face ko. Para bang nire-retain niya yung, I don't know, weird ba yun? Parang nire-retain niya yung moisture. I don't know if you know what I mean. Iba siya. Yun na nga guys, as you can see, meron akong bagong tubo. Kagabi lang to tumubo siya. And then, nag-dried up na siya today, this morning. And pasensya na, wala akong something on my face. I'm getting ready. Papunta kasi ako ng event. And by the way guys, of course, don't forget ha, meron silang discount na 20% off sa Lazada. I don't know if sa Shopee, titingnan ko, but ipi-place ko na lang yung link below if meron man. But then for sure, if you're going to go to their website, especially on their Instagram, it was posted na meron talaga silang 20%, and pinost ko rin siya kahapon kasi nasiyahan ako. Kasi I was really planning to buy more of this. And with that, I really wanted you to experience as well kung ano yung experience ko. Grabe, kaloka. So, I will be giving away 2 soaps, 2 bar na ganito, and it will be drawn as well on January 31 sa ating live. Okay? So, wag kayong absent sa ating live, and be sure to be there para naman manalo kayo. So, meron pang upcoming giveaway for you guys. There will be load giveaway, and be sure na nandun kayo sa live kasi pag nabunot kayo na wala kayo, so automatic, hindi yun matatanggap, mapupunta sa iba. So, January 31, take note, 8 p.m. And bubunot tayo nung unang giveaway, ito pangalawang giveaway, and marami pang giveaway until that day. Kaloka. So, I will go na. And be safe, God bless, and see you on January 31 sa ating live draw. So, bye-bye for now. See you soon. Saranghe. Be sure to, check Japonesa. It's really a good, guys. Hindi ko talaga maintindihan. Hindi to sponsored, guys, ha. Nagustuhan ko lang talaga siya. And, hindi ko talaga maintindihan kung bakit after ko ng shower, para bang, basta ang ganda niya sa face ko and sa body. And, no-brainer. So, see you. Bye-bye. I don't know, meron pa ba akong gustong na topic? Meron pala tong guys, sinasabi dito na, instructions, wet the soap and make a creamy lather. Yun ang ginagawa ko. Gently massage all over face and body. Rinse and pat dry. Pero hindi ko na siya pinapat dry. Nililet ko yung water na mag-dry sa aking face. So far, ang ganda-ganda niya. And I really wanted you to check it out. See you in our lives, January 31, okay? God bless.